Josefino Chino Toledo. Josefino Chino Toledo was born on March 6, 1959 and died on July 5, 2008. Josefino Chino Toledo is a professor and chair of the Department of Composition and Theory and at the University Artist at the University of the Philippines. Compositions: Agos, flow for narrator and chamber orche, hoy for trombone and 1 or 2 percussion, mga sulyap sa simbahan ng Quiapo mula sa kalye. Collection, images for piano, tangis for erhu and string quartet. Award received: the 2014 Natatanging Guro Outstanding Mentor, UP Gawad Counselor, the UP Centennial Professional Grant, the Outstanding Young Men Award, International Award for the Arts.